Just made it to the boat here at the pier.
That's a vlog?
Yeah. Started the trip here. I'll try to fix now. Just made it to the dock to start this rigorous journey. Here's the beginning. There's a map here. Just at the first campsite now. One that's like right off the lake. Not the best maintained thing, but we're not staying here, so. It's the end of the lake there. It's the end of the lake. And down the trail. This river is bone dry. Made it to the first site of the trek.
What is this one called?
Margaret Creek. I got stung by a wasp.
Oh.
Like, I don't even know how many times.
I think it's just...
It hurts. But my shoulders are killing me. Made it though. Set up camp here. Their tent, it's our tent. She is. It's a nice spot here. It's actually pretty decent. I lost a hiking pole because I got stung by wasps. There's the tent. It says Caleb here. Just made our chicken teriyaki noodle dish here. The stove.
My shorts are see-through.
This is the bear cache right here. It's a yellow garbage can looking thing. And there's the bathroom. That green thing right there. Day 2 of this hike. There's a wasp nest on the bridge. You can get stung, thankfully. We'll keep on trekking now. It was a long sleep. It was dark out. I'm tired. Some more train stuff here.
Hey, John.
Maybe it's the cable car. Just did the cable car, it was terrifying.
Hardly made it.
Surprised I made it over the crossing.
Alligator jumped out.
Yeah. That was sketch. Holy. Cross this bridge now. That's scarier than the car. About 2K from the falls, and this is brutal. It's hot, sweaty, and lots of uphill. Oh. Only one side has a railing. First view of the Della Falls. There's not a lot of water, but you can see it trickling up there. There's the turnoff to Love Lake. Septimus. If you want to go up there, good luck. Made it to Saw Blade Camp. There's lots of saw blades as you can see. It's cool, hey? Another campsite here, like 100 meters away. Made it to the base of Della Falls. What a grind. Holy. That's tiring. We made it to the top, to the bottom. And Caleb came to join us on this journey. Now that was a hard hike. We gotta go back now. It's gonna be tough, but I know we can do it. It was a hard hike. Holy, I'm tired.
This will be mostly downhill on the way back.
Just drank the water from Della Falls. Wow, great water. Tasted amazing, cold, refreshing. So good to be here. I've been trying to get here for many years. It was a grind. And it's a grind on the way back too, so yeah, but it's cool. We're all here at the base.
Made it. Easy cake.
Oh yeah. Just made it back to the camp at Margaret Creek. That hike was brutal. Not as bad coming back, but it was still tough. And I got stung again. Like maybe 100 feet from being back here, I got stung again. So like yeah, watch out for wasp nests. They freaking hurt, and you don't see them, and then they're right there. We're back. Just woke up today on this Sunday. Feel pretty horrible. It's not very comfortable in that tent. I'm pretty sore, but finally gonna leave. But I might stay another night. Go back to the waterfall. What do you think?
I don't know. Maybe not today.
All right, made it back to the dock. Just waiting for the boat now. I'm ready to go home.
What are you doing?
Trying to get in the
In the
camera.
journey. There we go. All right, wait, just boat's coming soon.
Port for 3:30.
Made it back to the boat. This is the end of the trip.